Hey everyone, I made it into Marshall's and look what I found. These are only $29.99. I'm kind of loving them. I mean, they're my size and they're brown. But I kind of feel like maybe they might be a little too low, but they're Vans. I love it. Okay, I saw some more Vans. Oh, here we go. These ones that look like Crocs, they're everywhere now. TJ Maxx, Marshalls. So they have that color. And there was one more. I just walked in. Let's see. Here we go. There's a pink one. So if you love pink. You know, somebody online said they're actually really comfy, but I don't know. You can't believe everything you hear. Cute Nikes. These are $49.99. So $50. Okay, these are by Cushionaire. Oh, they're a little different. I thought they were honestly going to be like that Steve Madden one. Okay, these are $25. They're kind of cute. I like the strap. Just throw some cushion on the inside. Okay, I don't see anything too new. I'm trying to dig for you. $29.99. Now this one by Yoko Ono. I've seen this brand before. Not with the bling buckle, so that buckle part is new. $20. That's going to be Blowfish. We have Madden Girl, Nautica again, more Vans. These are $25 by Rachel. Okay, found the green pair. These are by Nicole Miller in a different location. They had the hot pink. The green is here. More Cushionaire. These are $25. Setting around. Italian shoemaker. These are going to be $25 as well. Okay, these are Reebok. The same ones we've seen. Vans. What is this one? The men department. Oh, same one. I'm trying not to pull out the ones. Those are Tommy, of course. Let me walk over here. They kind of look like platforms, right? For $25. Only see those one, and of course they have tons of stuff for little children. Let me swing by little children shoes real quick. See if there's anything new. Okay, these are cute. And I wish they had these in the women department, kind of like a platform Reebok for little girls. That's adorable. And check out this pink sandal. These are definitely new. The brand MIA. I usually call it Mia. Vince Camuto. Blinged out shoe for them. $25. Little boys on top. More Spider-Man. Reebok. Look, they can match dad or grandpa. Oh, that's kind of cute. Batman. Oh, is that a girl one? The high top? Let me see. Oh, these are cool. 20. Look at that. The bat wing. Little bats on it. Adidas like water shoes. The bright, colorful floral. Those are really, really nice. Minnie Mouse. The jellies. Used to wear the jellies in like elementary, 5th grade. Oh, look. They have a Juicy Couture jelly for $10. I bet you if this was in the adult section, people would be buying this. Okay, then more sandals, and it gets into a repeat, especially for little boys. So again, more new shoes for little girls. Okay, I found this really cool dragon. They're 13, like little earrings. And I want to say we haven't seen this one for 10. This one next door we've seen, but look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh. We have a dinosaur earrings for 13. Okay. I would totally rock them. You know, I hate earrings, but I like that. That's pretty cool. The dinosaur ones. Okay, new hair clips. These are $8. These 2. This one looks new as well for $8. And Sunday State. Those are $8. Oh, look at this scrunchie. Bendy foam rollers. Okay, they have Minnie Mouse here. You get 12 for $5.99. And then more hairbrushes. Look how fun. Okay, everything for traveling. $29.99. It's like a little makeup bag. Look at, they have a little mini backpack too. These are 25. 25, like a palm tree one, and they also have a really cute strawberry one. Let's find out who makes it.
But I appreciate it. Thank you.
$29.99. By Nanette Lepore. This one's gonna be 20. A little spring action. The bow one we always see 25. I feel like no matter where I go, you guys, we're gonna find that one. This one is 20. That is by the brand Like Dreams. It's a pink one for 20. Look at that. Okay, look at this strawberry one. Okay, we also have Because Mom Said So. So $5. Yeah, I feel like maybe we're gearing up for Mother's Day, right? Oh, I need this. I need that for work. Busy as a bee, be kind. I thought I saw a Snoopy one. Oh, look, they're playing like hockey. Okay, a little new items and stationery. There's like a cool butterfly. Let your dreams be your wings. And then like a lemon. Oh, look back here. Ooh, what is this one? Weekly Eats. Oh gosh, again, gross shopping stuff. $4. $4 there.
I go like 50.
Don't stress. Right? Manifest your dream life. $5. I am calm and centered. These are air fresheners. Huh. Find something good in every day. It's like my mom's stuff right there. Okay, look what I spotted. Like somebody just dumped it here. It's only $8, I want to say, but I know they have a Hello Kitty one by the Creme Shop, but I haven't seen the one with the bow and like the little bling on it. Really cool. These are 8. They're like little candle stands, like at the moon or something, but they're really interesting. I know a lot of people love this decor here. These are kind of my favorite too.
Yeah.
Let's see, mushroom.
Yeah.
A little bit of glassware. Oh, the dinosaur looks like a lizard. Little lizard guy. A really cool mushroom, like a lawn decor. No idea how much it is, all full of moss. It's really neat. I think so. I know people hate the mushroom. You know, I never used to be a fan, but I kind of grew into a fan. I don't know how to explain it. I just like mossy looking items. There's a tiny one in the back for $12.99. Dresses are here, $40. This one is by Calvin Klein. Let me pan out a little bit. There we go. The summery flowy one.
Yeah.
Look at the colors, really bright. And $40. I do love this. I love that. Another colorful one by Tahari. This one's gonna be $40. And $40 here. We have pink. These are by Nicole Miller. And there's that groovy one we've seen before. Nighttime pajamas. These are 10. And it also comes in a leopard print. Oh, I want to tell you, if you hear like mute parts that are muted, I do have to mute it for YouTube purposes because they always come back after editing. I have copyright claims from, you know, store music. So some parts do get muted because I don't have time to look for music on something like that's 2 seconds. Okay, just want to let you know that. 15. Have you seen the purple one? I mean, we're always looking at this stuff. Why not? $10. Comes with underwear. The last time I was here, it came with shorts. Yeah, like this set right here. And you know what? It looks like they maybe brought out a blue one. Let me pull it out. Like a tank top. Those are cute too. For only 10. More Nicole Miller. 15. Every time I hear Miller, I think of Greek wedding because you know they're like Miller and he tells you everything. You are strong and brave. I didn't like the second one though. I only like the first one, A Greek Wedding. Really Soft by Marilyn Monroe collection. These are 15. So you get like the cami baby doll and like the capri pant. Okay, and this one is 17. Oh, so it's juicy, like right in the back. It is kind of like silky. Some of these are like red tag. Some are 13 if you're looking for new pajamas. Like this Hurley one's 10. I just seen that in a different location for full price. 12. Be Kind. More Hurley. Then it looks like BB for 17. 2 pair of shorts are 8. I wonder if those are brought back. And there's a Velvety one by Danskin, 13 from 17. These are 20. It's a nice like t-shirt one. These are so 90 vibes. Like the denim and the floral. That's 20. That's quite a bit. 20 for that Anne Klein. Another nice and flowy one. I like these long ones. They're 32. Just a top for 8. And really bright red for $30. And 35. $70. This one is by UGG. Really nice. Dude, 70 bucks. Kind of want to get it, but then I don't because we're going into like summertime. So I don't need anything heavy, but that would look perfect. And 50. Laura Ashley is 70. Anything new in the throws? Tons of Lucky yellow and blue, and they're only 17. Little floor print on the daisies. These yellow ones look like bean bags, right? There's a nice Serta one. Oh, look at this one. This for like when they're in the car. Like a seatbelt one by Nan Dog Pet Gear. Yeah, you buckle it. Okay. Oh, that is it for any doggy stuff. But they do, if you have a cat, look what they have. Little cat spaceship. That's 20. Oh, look at that. Tons of Squishmallows. I think we might have seen this, you guys. I swear I filmed that before. It looks like new pet wipes. Oh, Caesar Milan, Dog Whisperer. Do you guys trust Caesar? Like, I know some people hate and love it. I don't know, but I just honestly don't know. I didn't use any of that stuff for my dog. Okay, anything new in the toy department? Just a lot of bubbles. Look at the little crab one. That would be kind of cute if the crab like did that walk back and forth. They have a shark today. Sharknado. My gosh, I can't believe I even watched that. Okay, so I found a Nirvana one in Marshall. See what I noticed in springtime? To bring out all these sweaters when we're getting into summer. A little Halloween action. 13. We can always find this one. Every now and then it comes and goes. But you know what? I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually ready for Halloween. I know that sounds crazy. I'm not gonna buy anything, but just ready for, you know, I'm ready for the seasons in stores because, you know, since I go to the store and film, like, I feel like the seasons, they're my favorite. Even though I wish, honestly, they would get so many views. Because when I do seasonal decor, I always get, when are you gonna, I'm like, I've been posting it. Like, nobody just watching it. I get people who watch it, but a lot of people don't know that I do it. I don't know. It's kind of weird. Sometimes I feel like YouTube, like, shadow banned me.
I think they did.
Okay. We have Maui and Sun. Everything hurts. What's that? Oh. NASA. A lot of MTV I'm noticing in the men department. Haven't found anything too new. Look, they have Street Fighter. $15. This one is cute. I think we might have seen it. Skim through their clothing. With baby doll flowy tops. Alright, you guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in this location. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.